Hey guys, Bob here, back with you again, Turn 4 Automotive and Performance in Gray, Maine. You're going to go ahead and like these videos, give us a thumbs up, leave us some comments, subscribe to the page. We're going to be giving you more of this stuff. We're back in the shop today, Shop Project Day. We're going to introduce you to a fun one we got going on. Project 2K, this is called. So we've entered a shop competition with some local shops that we have a mission to build a race car for $2,000 or less, including the cost of the car and parts. The only thing that's not included in that $2,000 budget is safety equipment, wheels and tires, and OEM replacement parts. So anything to get this thing back up to good running condition. So here we are in front of our 2003 Ford Focus SVT that we picked up. We bought it at scrap price off a local scrapper. The motor was half taken apart when we got it. Bought it for 50 bucks. So this is where we're starting. We've already acquired a $200 eBay turbo kit for it. We're hoping the motor can handle it. We're going to show you some of the stuff that we've taken out of this car already. I guess our goal for this mission is, I don't think we're going to be the highest powered, being a 4-cylinder and all. I'm sure someone will build an LS or V8 something that'll outpower us. But what we're going to do is we're going to go for lightweight. So we've absolutely gutted this car. We've taken the subframes out of it, the motor, the transmission. We've cleaned up all the subframes and unibody parts already that we're repainting. We're putting in new wheel bearings. We've got the motor disassembled right now, as we'll show you on the screen. We're going to put new crank and rod bearings in those, a brand new head gasket, some factory head bolts, and just get this thing running back like it should. Then we're going to go ahead and take the factory SVT exhaust manifold, or header as these ones came with. We're going to build our own turbo manifold out of that to save some budget room. Then we're going to go ahead and build a harness bar, and we're going to put in a single Kirky road racing seat that we sell here at Turn 4 Automotive and Performance. So this project's going to be a lot of fun. We've got until April, early April, mid-April to get this thing done. So we're going to start working on it soon, but we're really hoping to get a lot done. It's going to be a fun project. We're hoping for 350 to 400 horsepower. Hoping to be around 2,200 pounds, I'd say. I wish the driver would lose some weight. That's me. It's going to really hold us back a little bit. It's going to be a fun project. We're going to go ahead and show you some of the stuff we've taken apart. We're in pretty much full disassembly mode right now. This is as far as it will go. We've taken the interior out of it. We put the dashboard back in so it will still function, have the gauges, and look like a race car and stuff. But yeah, fun project. Good way to go. This is going to be a multi-series webcast that we're going to give you guys, but here's the introduction. 2003 Ford Focus SVT, paid 50 bucks for it, and tune back in when we show you again. Thanks for watching.